there's Doritos in here.
Yeah, you go up look and it's retarded.
Let's see what's in here.
It fell.
Guys, this is Set-Pop! This is awesome!
Oh gosh.
He was the one
Why were you in there?
I was looking for Doritos.
Okay. Am I the only one not looking for Doritos?
Probably.
Doritos. You got something to say? Ooh.
He ate my balls!
And I popped my finger.
He pulled it down on me.
Down on you. You pulled it down on me.
Yeah, you were in there pulling me.
Yeah, fighting Doritos. How stupid was that?
I love Doritos.
Why? Okay, let's fix this.
Hey, this is a new shirt. Like,
Well, that's the first time that's happened. I was like, ooh, I'm like, oh crap, he's falling. I better save him. I'm like, haha, you did it.
You got my phone back, you
Guys,
idiot.
let's watch the